Imagine an AI which writes like a human. It writes like a celebrity copywriter and a celebrity journalist with 30 years of professional experience. And it writes like in such a way that it doesn't sound like written by AI. Not at all sounds like AI written. Like whenever you see you and whenever you come across a copy or a content, you easily come to know that this copy or content, whether it is written by a human copywriter, a human content writer, or whether it is written by AI. You like people have become smart, so smart nowadays. It easily they can gauge, easily they can guess that the content or the copy it is written by AI. But this particular AI, this particular GPT, it writes like a human copywriter. It doesn't sound like AI anymore. It doesn't really sound like AI. So I'm speaking about the GPT which has been created by me. It is the Content Chefs GPT, and it is based on my own brand, which is Content Chefs. So I'm really happy to introduce this GPT to everyone, and it really it has been trained in such a way, it has been trained in such a manner that it writes like a human. This is all this GPT is all about, the Content Chefs GPT, and most importantly, it connects emotionally with people. It writes in such a way that the copy or the content it connects emotionally with people. The emotional connection is really important in a copy or a content. Like if you have to drive sales for your product, for your service, for your brand or for your company, if you want sales, if you want to drive sales, so that emotional connection, it is really important. So the most important thing is that it writes like a human and it connects emotionally with the readers. So that is the most important thing. That is the USP of this particular GPT. So it has been trained in such a way, and it has been developed by me. It has been trained by me. So I invite all of you to try this GPT for free, absolutely free. I'm giving a 14 days free trial of this particular GPT, and if you want access to this particular GPT, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp number in the comments. You can WhatsApp me on the number, and then I can give you the access. I can give you the free trial of this particular GPT. So the AI content is not a problem anymore. AI written content is not a problem anymore, because now there is an AI which writes like a human. It writes like a human. It connects emotionally with the target audience, with its readers, and it is suitable for entrepreneurs. It is suitable for marketers. It is suitable for SEO experts, and it is also suitable for sales experts. So there are 4 to 5 different ICPs, ideal client profiles, ideal customer profiles, for which this particular GPT is completely suitable. It completely suits their needs and their requirements, and it also offers many benefits. It writes conversion focused copy. Its focus is on converting the clients, converting the customers, and it connects emotionally. So there is a quote in sales that people don't buy based on logic, they buy based on emotions. People buy through emotions, they don't buy on logic. So that is the quote used in sales. So connecting emotionally with the target audience while providing value, while providing high quality content, while providing knowledge, while providing the things that the target audience is craving for. So this connection with the readers is really important. So that is what this GPT is all about. It's a really unique, it's a really awesome GPT developed by me. The name of the GPT is Content Chefs, and this GPT helps you in developing content that you need, and most importantly, with the human touch, and not like it's written by AI. So that is the most important thing over here. And it connects emotionally with the readers, and it connects with a human touch. So when you use this AI, like in the free trial, it will really give you that kind of experience. You yourself will come to know like how exactly this AI is beneficial for you. So now the AI written content is not a problem anymore. So because now we have a GPT which writes like a human, which writes with the human connection, with the emotional connection. So that is the most important thing. And if you really like this video, then do drop a like on this video, and do let me know in the comments if you are really excited to use this GPT. And please do share in your network. Please do share it with the suitable ICPs which I mentioned, so that this GPT can be useful for them. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until then, this is Basil signing off.